Hi, I'm Gail Tudor and I'm from Plastic Free Aberporth. We were the first village in Wales to get the Plastic Free accreditation from Surfers Against Sewage. One of the ways we achieved this was by getting a number of businesses in our village to remove or replace at least 3 items of single-use plastic from their businesses. I went to my local pub first and the landlady was very interested and immediately thought of plastic that she could remove, and we have found most of the businesses, once they understand the reasons and why we're doing this to basically to save the earth, they're very receptive. So we need people everywhere to join the fight against plastic pollution, and in Wales we have some of the most beautiful coastline in the world, and we do have wildlife that is threatened by plastic pollution, so the dolphins of Cardigan Bay, the puffins on Skomer Island, and these are part of what brings people to Wales. There's lots of things individuals can do, and it's really true that individuals can make a difference because every individual can do something. So whether it's using a reusable water bottle, taking your own coffee cup when you have coffee, refusing straws, all these things are very easy, and we can all look at what we use in our homes, using soap instead of plastic soap dispensers. All these things can be done, and each thing you do will help to reduce the amount of plastic pollution that reaches our ocean, that threatens our wildlife. Just start with your local area, maybe visit your local cafe, your local pub, the shops that you use every day, and when you get people on board, together we can all make a difference for the future of Wales.